The preconception that humans shape laws is being challenged by AI mock trials. My expertise is in Japanese administrative law relative to administrative organizations. Legislation is set by elected representatives, and equal voting rights of all citizens are broadly reflected. In a word, the law here is made through democratic processes. Lacking proper plaintiff qualification is grounds for courts to dismiss a lawsuit without making a decision on the legality of the decision made by the legislature. This phenomenon is known as gatekeeping. When it comes to the protection of the natural environment and ecosystems, the factors that are not easily attributable to individuals are not protected by the court. What about filing a lawsuit on behalf of animals and nature? There was a case where the named plaintiffs were wild mudskippers. The court functioned as a gatekeeper and denied the lawsuit. The preconception that humans shape laws is being challenged. Faculty of law students at the University of Tokyo held an AI mock trial during last year's May Festival. It was an ambitious trial where judgment was passed by an AI. The stumbling block was that deterministic algorithms alone cannot interpret law, and incorporating big data and discussions is an immense task. When we talk about justice, we treat similar things similarly and different things differently. But determining whether or not things should be classified together is itself a topic of discussion. If this process becomes an inexplicable black box, that could be a problem.